everyone. Today we are going to do the chapter Profit, Loss and Discount. In this chapter I will be telling you the concepts and the easy tricks to solve the questions. First of all, let us understand the concept. It is, if the selling price is greater than the cost price, we earn a profit, and when the cost price is greater than the selling price, there is a loss. To calculate profit, we have a formula, that is profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, and to calculate loss, it is cost price minus selling price. To calculate the profit percent, it is profit upon CP into 100. CP is the cost price, and loss percent is loss upon CP into 100. Always remember that profit and loss, it is always calculated on the cost price. Our first question is, if the cost price is 1200 and the selling price is 1500, do we earn a profit or loss, and what is the profit or loss percent? See, in this case selling price is greater than the cost price, so we can say that we have earned a profit. So to calculate the profit, we do selling price minus cost price, and selling price here is 1500 and cost price is 1200. So 1500 minus 1200 is equal to 300. Now we'll calculate the profit percent, because we have earned the profit. Profit percent is profit upon CP into 100. By putting the values in this formula, we get the profit percent to be 25%. Okay. Our next question is, when we have been given cost price, that is 800, and selling price, that is 780, we have been asked to calculate the profit or loss percent. See, in this case cost price is greater than the selling price, so we can say we have a loss here. So, and loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, that is 800 minus 780, and it comes out to be 20. And loss percent we calculate by loss upon CP into 100. By putting the values in this, we can calculate the loss percent, and that comes out to be 2.5%. See, now I will tell you the trick to find the selling price. See, the question is, cost price is 600, we have a profit of 30%, and selling price is this is to be calculated. The trick is that to calculate the selling price, we have the cost price and multiplication factor. The product of cost price and multiplication factor. This multiplication factor is calculated as, assume everything to be 100 here. We have a profit of 30, so that will be 130. 100 plus 30 is 100 plus 30 is 130. So 130 upon 100 is equal to 1.3. This is the multiplication factor. By multiplying this in the cost price, we get the selling price. Similarly, if the question is cost price is 8,000 and the loss is of 20%, and we have to calculate the selling price, we have a loss here. This means we have 100 minus 20 here. So we get 80. So 80 upon 100 is 0.8. This is the multiplication factor here. So 8,000 into multiplication factor, we get a selling price of 6,400. Now to find the CP, there is a trick that we have a selling price here and a multiplication factor. We have to divide here now. Earlier we used to product it. See, the question is, selling price is 6,500 and we have a profit of 30%. Here the multiplication factor will be 100 plus 30, that is 130, and 130 upon 100 is equal to 1.3. The multiplication factor is 1.3. तो यहाँ पे जो selling price है, that is 6,500. Selling price upon the multiplication factor. So we have a cost price, that is 5,000. Similarly, the next question is, the selling price is 8,400 and we have a loss here, that is 30%. See, we have a loss now. Loss means 100 minus 30, we have 70, and 70 upon 100 is equal to 0.7. This is the multiplication factor here. So this is selling price upon multiplication factor, we gain a cost price. जब कभी जो दो कॉस्ट प्राइस दे रखे हैं वो सेम हो, दोनों कॉस्ट प्राइस सेम है और हमें कहा गया है कि ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट या फिर लॉस निकालना है, तो इसके लिए हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है ए माइनस बी अपॉन 2. इसमें ए माइनस बी ये है कि एक प्रॉफिट दे रखा है और एक लॉस दे रखा है, या कुछ भी दे रखा है. इसमें यही होगा कि एक प्रॉफिट दे रखा होगा, एक लॉस दे रखा होगा. तो इसमें ए हम इसको मान लेते हैं, इसको हम बी मान लेते हैं. तो ए माइनस बी अपॉन 2 का फॉर्मूला लगा के हमारा क्या निकल आएगा, ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट या फिर लॉस. यहाँ पे ए हमारा 30 है एंड बी हमारा 20 है, तो 30 माइनस 20 अपॉन 2 इट कम्स आउट टू बी 10/2 एंड 5%. इट इज़ इन पॉजिटिव, द आंसर इज़ इन पॉजिटिव, सो वी हैव अ प्रॉफिट here. Okay, and the next condition is when the selling price is same and a% is also same. जब हमारी परसेंटेजेस भी सेम दी हुई हों और हमारा सेलिंग प्राइस भी सेम हो, तो इस केस में क्या होता है, हमेशा ही लॉस होगा, हमेशा ही लॉस होगा. तो लॉस परसेंट कैलकुलेट करने के लिए है हमारे पास ए स्क्वायर अपॉन 100. ए स्क्वायर इज़ द परसेंटेज विच इज़ गिवन, इट विल बी गिवन द सेम 20 का स्क्वायर अपॉन 100, वी हैव 400 अपॉन 100, दैट इज़ 4%. हमेशा लॉस ही होना है.